Hello, Math 133 students. I've received a few questions about the course pack and how to buy it from the bookstore, etc. So I thought I would make a video to make it all make a little more sense. Okay, so all this information is in the syllabus as well as the welcome letter email that I emailed out to everybody. And you can also get to the welcome letter email here in the week 1 extra module, which is introductions. If you right click on the link right here and you can open a new tab. Or if you don't remember to right click and you left click on it, it'll look like this. This is the way all external websites look. So basically all I've done is put a link into Canvas. And so you have to click on this little box here, and then that opens in a new tab. So there you have it. So there's the welcome letter email. It's what I sent out the other day, although I have been adding a few links to it here and there as things come up. All right, so what we're talking about here is the course materials section. So everything in the course materials section is free. So it's just a question of getting access to it. So I'm going to make other videos for these other items, but I'm going to talk in this video about getting the course pack. First of all, I have do I really need the course pack? And the answer is absolutely yes, you do. This course pack is made by yours truly. It's over 700 pages. A good 450 to 500 of those pages you will submit as assignments. That's what these lecture notes are. That's what these worksheets are. All of these assignments are in that course pack, and you're going to write them by hand. So you need that course pack, and you've already paid for it. It's free. So you just have to get it. Okay, so where do you get it? Well, if you go to the bookstore on campus, which is in the Potter Center on campus, then Potter Center is the building, then you can just pick it up, right, for free. You walk in, you say, here I am, this is my class, my name is such and such, here's my course or my student ID, and they will just give it to you. But if you do not want to go to campus, if you cannot go to campus for whatever reason, you can order it, and they will ship it to you. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, it's right here on this link to the JetStore page. So you click order here. You get to order your textbook and JetStore online. So click order here. Lovely. And then, oh, it looks like they're doing a knitted stocking hat for free. I wonder if you can add that for nothing. But in particular, we want textbook. It's right here. So up at the top, you click textbook. And then you choose the term you're in, which I'm making this video for spring 2023. So there it is, spring 2023. And then I will scroll down, or you can type MAT. It's right there, math, MAT. And then the course you want is, now I'm making this for my students. My students would be 133. If you're somebody watching this from another section, it could be 133A, depending on which type of section you have. So just look at your roster to know, not your roster, your schedule of classes to know which one it is. 133A is the one that has 033 with it. So you'll be in class a lot more often. All right, so 133 is the one I'm going to choose. My students, you would either be I1 or I2, depending on which section you're in. But if you're somebody else's students, you could be in one of these other ones. And then you click on that section. Now it says, here's this course pack for you, right? So there's this course pack. It's made by me, Tucky, that's me. And then you click Buy New, and it looks like it's $22, but don't freak out. It's fine. It's free. So you click Buy New, you add it to your cart. Oh, I've already added it to my cart once. That's why there's two of them there. All right, so then I'm going to go look at my shopping cart. And when I go to my shopping cart, first of all, I don't want two of them. So I'm going to lower that number by clicking this little arrow to 1. There we go. I'm going to update my cart. I only need one course pack. I don't need two course packs. There we have it. And then it said 22, but then you see it's crossed off and it's 0 because it's free, right? It was already covered by a course fee, so it doesn't cost you anything. Now, the shipping. Well, the thing is that they will ship you a box for a $12 flat fee. It's just $12 for the box, whatever they put into it. So what you want to do is put in all the textbooks for all your courses and have them ship it to you for $12, right? That'll be perfect. What you do not want to do is order my stuff and have them charge you $12 for shipping, and then order you the stuff for your other class and have them charge you $12 for shipping. That would be unwise. So get all of your books for all of your classes and then put it all in one shipping thing. And you would go to checkout here, and then you'd have to either create an account, or if you have an account, you can do that, and so on and so forth. And I'm not going to get into all of that because we all know how to make that kind of thing work, hopefully, from existing on the internet for the past few years. But, create an account and or sign in and create your account. And that's it. So even though it looks like it's $22 when you go to look at it on the web page, it is not $22 because it's free. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any more questions.